Hello students, today topic is Oracle instance. Oracle instance is also called database instance. It contains the set of Oracle database background, background processes that operate on the stored data and the shared allocated memory that those processes use to do their work. Every running Oracle database is associated with an Oracle instance. That means when we want to connect or access database, the Oracle instance acts as an interface. Oracle instance starts automatically when the database is started. When we write connect sys as system DBA, sys is a login name and sysdba is password. Then Oracle instance is automatically started. The structure of Oracle instance is this: user process connects to server process, server process connects to SGA stands for System Global Area, that is memory area. Instance is situated in memory area and it interacts with data files, control files and redo log files. These files are physical files. Data files contains the data, control files contains the structure of data, redo log files is used for recovery process, and other files are alert file, parameter file, password file. So Oracle instance receive query from user and it sends to appropriate file, that is it is used for data file, control file and redo file. After getting the information from database, it sends the response to the user. How to start a database? First step, open all files open as described by the control file for this instance. Next step, mount control file opened for this instance. No mount instance started, and last step is shutdown. Then instance is started in no mount action. So instance is very important in the Oracle database management system. It is inbuilt in the Oracle software. It is very useful for the performance of database. Thank you students. We will discuss about control file in the next lecture. Thank you.